Okay, it's December 31st. It's 2:40 a.m. I'm doing a video of what I just posted on the social media about. That's the problem. Doing videos about computer hacking are hacked themselves. So that's the irony. So I guess I have to do both, right? Write about it and then show it on a video and then tell you where it is on the video. Okay. What is this? 40 seconds on the video. This is my, I get little friends pop up on my Twitter. Well, I'm missing. Please find me. Cal Millar. Then we have a Charlie James, which is Angelina Jolie. What do we got on here? So that's a 40 seconds. Okay. I showed you that. $1:15. I'm showing you my YouTube page. Classical gas. Watch it again. Don't take me alive, Steely Dan. Long may you run. Stills Young Band. Yeah. Neil Young. Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young. Helpless. 10 years after, I'd love to change the world. Leon Russell, Hummingbird. The Moody Blues. Story in Your Eyes. So you can see, this is all a big joke, and it's probably her. The stand-in for Maria, the local terrorist. Great Dane, too big for bed. Alright, so this is kind of baloney. Alright, so now it's 2:22 on the tape, and that in and of itself is supposed to be funny. Okay. So I wrote down what I... Okay, let me tell you about the Super Anti-Spy. But first of all, let me get at it. Get out of all this stuff. Just get out of here. All right, I had some pictures on there. I took them off, so we'll leave them. I changed the desktop, so we'll leave it like that for now. All right. There was a new. I thought Super Anti-Spy was good, but there was a new version of it that all of a sudden it appeared, and it was confusing as heck to me, and I didn't understand how it works. Okay. System tool specifically, all this stuff was not on it. I said System Investigator, confused me, and yeah, now my speaker just fell down. Where the heck did it go? Yeah. System Investigator confused me, and I didn't understand the purpose of it. You know, there are no instructions per se for how to use this function. You can do a custom Windows user startup registry load points, or you can just run the way it is. Okay, and I didn't understand that, so I said that. Super delete file removal. Okay, so let me just show you what I mean about this. Super delete. We're at 4:15 in the tape. In the video. So let me just delete something. All right, here. All right. Yeah. How about Angie? That would be good. Super delete, and you know, no, let me just do this here. You know, yeah, okay. Angie, super anti-spyware. Mouse over. Super delete file removal. So I selected that for super delete file removal, right? So we got documents, So it's in there. Are you sure you wish to continue with super delete file removal? Yes. Oh, you have to type yes in here. Yes. So I type yes in there. Okay. Continue. Following changes to your computer. So this is what I'm talking about. You see, it's listed there. Super delete file removal. Now watch now, it's going to work. But let me just tell you how it's happened in the past. So now, what do you do with this? Well, first of all, these things you don't do anything with these things, right? It's just, this is if you want to select something. So if you want to go in your computer and get something to select, this is if you want to remove it. If you remove it, and this is how you remove it. There's a red X here. But, well, like I was saying before, you're just taking it out that you're not selecting it for super delete removal? Or is that the process of super delete? Well, no. And so what the guy told me was, you just leave it like that, right? So you're done. Done. And that's it, right? All right. So now let me restart my computer. Restarting my computer at 6:30 in the tape. And I was telling you with the BIOS, I don't know what I was doing something with the diagnostics. I could not log on at all. It kept getting the see, now I get the beep. It says enter password. So what I do is I'm just typing in letters from M to the left to Z and from L to D. So 14 on my keyboard. What happened was, so I kept getting I don't remember when it was. I kept getting I couldn't log on. I couldn't get the normal startup. Whatever was wrong with the normal startup, it wouldn't start up. I was trying to diagnose, trying to do everything. Somehow I got into the BIOS drivers, and I was fooling around with that. I put some password on or something, and now I can't get it off. I mean, I don't want that to still be there. I don't know how to get it off. But I wonder if that's like, the fact that I reinstalled the Windows 7, I couldn't connect to the internet because of the adapter driver. I wonder if that's like indirect reference to this situation, as well as the fact that my Dell driver was missing for my Ethernet cable. Okay, so okay, so okay. So 6:30, I rebooted. See, even my own handwriting, I'm trying to make a note. It's self-destructing. Okay, and I did the BIOS drivers. So now it's 8:25 in the tape. I talked about BIOS drivers. Or whatever I did here. So let's run it. No, I don't know what to do with it. Alright, so let me show you the Force. Did you see the Force update? My downloads. I got this in my Gmail. Force, I said I keep getting this boink noise. I wrote. I don't know where that original email is. Okay, so it's under SAS. SAS. I had, I got it a couple times. Why it says 1? That's a copy of it. Where the original one is, I don't know. So okay, so let's try running it as administrator this time. So this is what was it now? 9:20 in the tape. Okay, I have been doing this. Okay, the other thing you can do is now it says there's no updates, right? And if I don't do that. Again, okay, so we'll run it as administrator. Usually you click here to check for updates. Okay, I do that, and I will get a green bar and it'll go, across like it's downloading an update. Or you can click here to upgrade. Have you already purchased a Super Spyware Professional subscription? No. Okay, so now it's 10:15 in the tape. I'm talking about upgrades. So I say no, and I get Super Anti-Spyware download page. Now, first of all, this is the thing that confuses me and that I'm not sure of. Super Anti-Spyware, you get download link. There's a free edition download link, little link like this, and a professional. However, if you go to the home page, there's a big red link, free edition download. For some reason, I'm suspecting one, if not both of these, are bad. And I'm talking in terms of the free edition, obviously, because I'm not paying for it. So, it says over 45 million, and it's in yellow. Yeah. Makes me think, oh, the red link is the safe one. I actually have been using the other one. Alright, so let's use the red one. Download in progress. Okay, so now it's 11. Okay. Okay. Run it. Removing existing version, your program settings will be retained. Okay, the wizard, I agree. Oh, now here I don't know. Anyone who uses this computer, all users, only for me. Right, well obviously it should be only for me, because I'm the only user. I had already, when you download it from scratch, you put in your Gmail address, which your email, which I put in. Okay, so now it says install progress, copying files, starting services. Oh, okay, so I'm wrong. I do have to put in my email. Put my email address in here, and check for recent definition updates, and submit a system diagnostic. Okay. So I put in my Gmail. So, as I said, I'm not doing it from scratch, but I am upgrading, which sometimes you have to do to update. Theoretically, you should just have to update. But I had done this anyway sometimes. Next. Finished. Super Anti-Spyware Professional. Decline. I don't want the professional. Okay. Now. Scan this computer. High boost. Delete temp files. Tracking cookie zip files. Modified 1 day. Okay, let's try complete scan, see what happens. Now the heat is blasting me again. Fan on. Okay, so now 12:25. Oh, I forgot to check to see if the super delete was gone or not. But however, my point was that it wasn't gone in the past. You know what I mean? It wasn't gone. It would still be listed. I would look back under Super Delete in the Super NES spyware, and whatever I was deleting, whatever item, it was still there. So that's my point. I'll look at the other. We'll look at it. I was just trying to demonstrate, so it's not the point. Okay. Okay, so I went through. It says there's nothing there. Alright, so let's start with this 17:06, and I'll see what else I want to say. I'll just get this up there.